For those coin enthusiasts deeply entrenched in the cryptocurrency world, you're probably extremely familiar with the fees associated with buying products or services with any sort of coin. Almost every exchange available has some sort of price for the cost of using their platform to either buy or sell, especially if it involves cryptocurrency, except for one platform known as OpenBazaar. What is it? OpenBazaar is an online marketplace where users can create a virtual store to sell any sort of product that they would like. Shoppers can browse these stores and make a myriad of purchases using only cryptocurrencies, all of which goes to the owner of the shop because OpenBazaar doesn't charge any fees on either end. And just like any other site, the seller can still chat with customers and customize their store to suit their needs, but unlike most other stores, there are no listing/selling fees and the seller doesn't have to have a bank account set up to receive their payment. The site currently accepts Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Scash for purchases. All of this is possible because OpenBazaar is based on open source software, meaning not only is it all free to users, but also no one entity controls it. And the developers who do work on the app are very open about their work, and all the developer calls are available for anyone to view and listen to on their website under the section titled Blogs. This open concept is much different from the current state of the US economy, where almost every business is owned by another business, and there is usually a lot of secrecy behind acquisitions and business changes. Funding is all of this sounds great, right? It is, so it is very sad that OpenBazaar has begun the beginning stages of shutting down. Although removing the middleman removes fees for buyers and sellers, updating and maintaining the app is not free for the developers. Until now, OpenBazaar has received all of their funding from internal sources and angel investors. And those sources are about to run out at the end of 2021. When the app first launched back in 2014, the developers had hoped that the app would pave the way for a market of cryptocurrency shopping, and receive more funding along the way. Sadly, there were many growing pains and costs associated with building this sort of app from the ground up, and it didn't quite draw the audience, nor the funding, they had hoped. If more funding isn't found immediately, the app will be shutting down. As much as a free, open-source marketplace sounds, OpenBazaar ran into the same problem that many cryptocurrency companies do: finding and maintaining an audience can be difficult if not impossible. The world still hasn't quite warmed to the idea of cryptocurrencies, and many people don't understand how they work. And for those that do understand, oftentimes their knowledge is limited, or if they do have a vast knowledge, they aren't interested in using it to shop in an open source marketplace in their free time. The current user base for OpenBazaar is small, so even as they appeal to their users for donations, it simply isn't enough to save them. Not only that, but the world and the economy. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.